Augustians, hope you all are fine and well at your places. This is your art and craft time, and today I'm going to make you learn traffic light model. So get ready to do this activity. To make a traffic light model, the material you require is black chart paper, scissor, Fevicol, one long rectangular box like this, one small rectangular box like this, green, red and yellow paper. First of all, take the black chart and wrap the box by this method. Because we are going to cover this box completely, so take the measurements like this. This is the very easy process of wrapping a rectangular shaped box. Take the proper measurement by keeping this box again and again like this. After taking the measurement, cut this part like this. Now give folds to it like this, so that pasting of this paper on the box will be easy. Keep the box on it and start applying Fevicol and pasting. We have already taken the measurement of the box, so wrapping has become easy. After wrapping the black chart on box, make a hole here with the help of parents. Now take the other box, make a hole here and wrap this box with black chart paper as you have wrapped the first one. Now our both boxes are ready and we have made holes on both boxes like this. Take a rectangular shape paper and try to fold it like this, because we are going to make a stick from it. I am taking the help of a pen. First of all, I will keep a pen in this rectangular paper and fold it like this. Lot of crease is appeared on this paper. Now folding of this paper is easy. We are going to make a stick of this paper. You can use a kulfi stick also, but you have to cover it with black paper. But if you don't have a kulfi stick, you can make a stick like this. After folding, apply Fevicol here and paste it. Our stick is ready. Now take the first long box and put this stick into it like this. You can apply Fevicol at the end. Now take the other box and keep it like this. Now take the red, yellow and cream color paper in circle shape like this. Now we will paste these paper onto this box. Apply Fevicol like this and paste the red paper on the top side, yellow in the middle and green at the end. Do the same on the other sides. Now take a triangular shaped black color paper and paste it on the top side of this traffic light. Now our traffic light model is ready. Try this at home. Thank you so much.